That's for you. Okay, go get him.
John, ¿estás haciendo baños de vapor?
Where are you? I'm over here.
Say wee.
Watching.
Medicine. Oh, hell no.
Oh my goodness.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? You looking at?
Oh my gosh, Kitty, are you okay?
B15. Oh, dang, Minnie. Oh! Look, see? It's alright. It's all good.
Strider! Get out of here, I'm in the bathroom.
Excuse you. Can you just go on the other side and kind of just gently hold on to him? He's got a leg.
You know, both your dog and cat match.
Oh.
I said, uh-oh.
I'm watching you, Wazowski. Always watching.
Break my new hair dryer. Mush!
Walk down the stairs. No, walk down the stairs. I want to see your walk. Walk. Go down the stairs.
What is going on with you? Oh my god!
Daddy,
He doesn't love me, apparently.
Really kidding? It's stupid.
Use your body weight to push the dough into itself. You might have to add a bit of flour until the dough is easier to work with.
We've been trying to contact you regarding your car's extended warranty.
I'm coming for you! No. Medic! No.
Ow! What you doing?
Woof!
Okay. Anyways, we're getting ready for your photo shoot today. Do you know you're ready? All right. Let me get a smile. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Cheese.
Open your mouth and see what your cat does.
My mama always told me I could be whatever I wanted, so I became a problem.